Stop scrolling! Billions of birds travel the globe with no map, no GPS, yet still fly 70,000 kilometers and land on the exact locations as intended. How? Think about the Arctic Tern, from North Pole to South Pole and back. That's further than flying to the moon and returning back. Or a tiny hummingbird crossing an entire ocean without taking any rest. What could be their secret? It's not magic. It's science. Birds can literally see Earth's magnetic field. Deep inside their eyes is a molecule called cryptochrome. This molecule reacts to the planet's magnetism, painting invisible lines in the sky that the bird follows like a highway. They aren't just flying. They are reading the planet itself. The next time you see a bird overhead, remember that. You're looking at nature's oldest, most incredible traveler, guided by a map only they can see. Subscribe for more mind-blowing science secrets.